Alright guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. I'm Mike.
And I'm Ivan.
And today we're going to continue working on the S2000. We got it all painted on the outside. We got a lot of work to do on the inside. We'll put all the interior together. I mean, this thing's basically a puzzle. It's so intricate. But, you know, we're going to do it. We're going to get all back together. Meanwhile, Ivan's going to go paint the other parts that we need. The glossy black, the other parts, the little trim pieces. There's still a lot of work to do. So let's just go at it. Oh, and don't forget, we have a giveaway at the end. Made a bunch of those S2000 signs. Want to get them out there, so don't forget to comment S2000 at the bottom for your chance to win.
We got a front lip. The CR front lip came in, and the little lip underneath the bumper came in. The grill came in, so there's a lot of stuff to do after I paint. Put together the whole front end. It's gonna look sweet. And we've been reading your comments about the caliper color, and we're gonna paint them a color. You guys will see. It's gonna be pretty sweet. And the wheels, we've been looking at a different set of wheels. But a lot of progress. Hopefully we'll get it all together. Mike will get the interior done. It looks really easy to do. And that's it. Let's get to it. Okay, so here we are. We're on the table. We've got the parts all scuffed up, wax and grease removed, wiped down, ready to put some black paint. And we're going to make it glossy. So we've got the little spoiler things, the rear diffuser, the front lip. So this should be pretty quick. The black should cover really good on black. And with the gloss on it, it'll be good to go. Okay, so here we have it. We got it painted. Turned out sweet. And actually we had some paint left over from a Ford we did. It's called Textile Black Ford. It's got a little bit of black metallics in it. But it's sweet. It's gonna look good in the sun. We got all that lip painted, got these little moldings painted, the spoiler, and we got the rear diffuser. Man, this thing's gonna look sweet. Gotta keep the car clean. But we're gonna let it dry. We're gonna paint the front lip next. And that's it, and calipers. So let's see what color I'm going with calipers. All right, Michael, what are you doing?
Putting this back cover in, the top. I gotta push it against the studs, and I got this washer plate. Screw on after.
So this is what he's doing, right? He's gonna make this all nice and firm. And then here he put this molding in. Here he got the door panels on, he got the center console on. He's got the airbag module he gotta do. But I gotta find it first. I don't know where I put it after we got it rebuilt or recalibrated or whatnot. So I gotta find that. We found a seatbelt.
That's
so
good.
It's gotta be somewhere.
Yeah,
and then we actually have to need to get a clock spring too for the...
Yes, we do. I can't put the driver wheel airbag in. That passenger airbag was the simplest thing ever. I loved it. It was nice. Popped off, 3 bolts, boom, boom. But everything else, man, it's a puzzle. This is so many pieces.
I mean, at least the seats will go in easy.
Yeah.
And the radio and the little stuff like that. But this little covers, it just takes some time.
Oh yeah. But I'm going at it. Getting it done.
Okay, so here's the CR spoiler we're gonna paint. Paint it blue. Just gonna repaint the spoiler. There's a couple little things I didn't like about it, so I'm gonna repaint that really quick. This little piece I forgot. And we're actually gonna paint the calipers the same color and see how that turns out. Somebody commented on it, didn't think about it. So we're gonna paint them and see how it looks. So let's get to it.
Now that I got the seats installed, I'm gonna work on this top. So basically, since we took the glass out, we have to adjust it to the top itself. So I'm gonna close it, get the window up there, and see if I need to go a little higher, a little lower, so it seals nice. Let's do it. So basically you got these stops on both sides of the glass, and they're gonna butt up against these hard stops. So I have to adjust those to make it a nice snug fit against the top. Let's do it.
Alright guys, check it out. We got the bumper back on, we got the CR lip, and we got a lip underneath it. What do you guys think? Then we got the side little diffuser on, and we got the rear diffuser on too. So we got a little black lip package, and the spoiler, it all matches that. It's like a nice metallic-y black. So it's pretty late. We're gonna call it a night, and tomorrow we'll wash it up and see how it looks. So we'll see you guys in the morning.
All right, get it, Evan. Looking good. Boom.
Finally, we're cleaning it up.
So good.
wax off, Ivan. You get it.
I should make you do this.
Do your car.
Hey, as long as you know it.
He gets a can of beans for finishing that.
Oh yeah. Only a couple days old.
Alright guys, check it out. It's nice and clean. But guess what time it is? It's time to put on my Advance.
Rim time, rim time. Let's do it.
Alright guys, what do you guys think? We got it done. We got the lid package put on. We got the metallic black, looks super sick. We got a CR lid. We're still gonna do something with the headlights probably. We're gonna clean them up or get another set with AP2. We don't know yet. And then we put the Super Advance on it. It looks sweet. It's gonna lower a little bit, it's still jacked up. And then on the next episode, we're gonna try to put the calipers on and maybe dual suspension or something like that. I actually want to do air suspension. So I've been looking at some kits and we'll see. Hopefully I'll get something in and we can do that. So we've got the side diffuser going on. The fitment's really nice. I already rolled the fenders, so that's nice. It's gonna tuck in. We got the rear diffuser put on.
Spoiler's growing on me. I like it now.
We got the really sick spoiler with the little black accent. Super sick. We still got to upgrade the exhaust. You know, just a lot of time and energy. But it's coming around super nice. Michael got the interior done. Check out the interior. Nice and clean, blue seats, not worn or anything. We still need a little shift knob, but it's ready for a test drive. All the gaps came out really nice. We're still gonna put the S2000 emblem back on. That's pretty nice. I forgot that the windows are already tinted, so we don't have to do that.
Well, I had an option. One of them wasn't tinted, and the other one was, so I chose the glass that was tinted.
Yeah, but what do you guys think about the color? I think the color turned out really nice, all put together now. Maybe put some fog lights in here, we'll see. But I like it. Let's put it down and put it outside, we'll see how it looks in the sun. Okay. You guys check that out. We're almost done.
Definitely need some buttoning up touches, but we're getting there.
I think the wheels look great though. I'm gonna go get something. Alright guys, I forgot. I had this little tonneau cover. Put the tonneau cover on it and made it nice and clean looking. It turned out super nice. I'm ready to take it out on the road. Here in S2000 and it's super sweet. I'm loving it. I'm ready to drive it. But look inside, we got the signs. So you guys, we got to pick our giveaway winners. So let's go inside the office and let's pick somebody.
All right, here we go again. Time to find our winners. We have 500 comments exactly. Appreciate your feedback, you guys. Some people love the spoiler, some people don't love it. You know, that's part of life though.
I think it turned out great. It looks really nice with the little black accents on it and like that. So
I think it really flows with the car now. It's growing on me for sure. Once it's coming together, it looks really clean. All right, let's find our first winner. Here we go. For a custom-made S2000 sign with Nico Brothers on it. Winner is Benjamin Rogers. Congrats, bro. S2000, that's what you need to do. Go and email me your address, information. I'll send it out to you. All right, second winner let's go find him. 3, 2, 1. Brian Diaz. Diaz, my bad, bro. Definitely won. All right, congrats. Hope you enjoy this custom-made sign for you. And let's find our third winner. But if you didn't win this time, it's okay, because
We're still doing another one.
We're just still doing another giveaway. So, you know, go ahead and comment S2000 at the bottom of this video and enter a chance to win.
So let us know what you guys think about the wheels on the car now with all the little black accents and everything. And what do you think about me doing air suspension on it?
Have fun, Ivan. And man, that was kind of complicated. That interior was like, it was tricky. It was definitely tricky. Like,
I think how cool it would be with air suspension.
I haven't done S2000 in a while. That was rough. Yeah, it would be pretty nice. If you got time for it. All right, here we go. Final winner, 3, 2, 1. Yes, all right. Love the black rear, side, front package. Wheels need to be black as well. All right.
Corey, he did it. He's the last winner.
Congratulations. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Until next time.